Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Grab your tea, get comfy, and let's do a quick FaceTime style catch up on a story that's getting a lot of attention online. Today, I'm breaking down everything being said straight from clips, posts, interviews, and social media trends, and I'm keeping it all neutral and sourced. We're going to cover the interview, the 525 consultation controversy, the alleged Obeah claims, and of course, what the internet is buzzing about. So grab your favorite drink because this tea is piping hot. Quick refresher. Keyshia is a public figure who's often in the headlines alongside her husband Gucci Mane. Over the years, she has built a strong personal brand around luxury, beauty, and fitness, creating loyal followings for her Keyshia fitness and cosmetic lines. She's been a staple in celebrity culture because of her high-profile marriage, public appearances, and business ventures. Many bloggers and online outlets have covered her evolution from fitness influencer to luxury entrepreneur, making her a recognizable figure in pop culture. Understanding her background helps explain why this story has captured so much attention online. Recently, Keyshia and Gucci appeared on a widely watched Breakfast Club interview where they discussed Gucci's mental health diagnoses and Keyshia's personal approach to supporting him through difficult episodes. Clips of this interview were shared on multiple social media platforms and highlighted in entertainment articles, emphasizing the couple's openness and transparency about mental health. In the discussion, Keyshia outlined her strategies for helping Gucci remain grounded during episodes, while Gucci candidly shared the challenges he has faced over the years. Bloggers have noted that the interview painted a picture of a couple navigating both public and private pressures, which naturally drew attention and commentary online. Shortly after the interview, posts started circulating online claiming that Keyshia was offering $525 mental health consultations. Bloggers and social media users quickly pointed out screenshots allegedly showing this offer, and discussions erupted about whether this was a coaching session, motivational guidance, or something more formal. The conversation quickly split, with some fans defending her right to offer personal coaching or life guidance, while others questioned whether the price and framing might mislead people looking for professional therapy. The $525 figure, in particular, became a focal point of discussion, with multiple entertainment and gossip blogs highlighting the controversy and sharing screenshots of the posts for reference. Meanwhile, another story started gaining traction online, allegations that Keyshia had used or practiced Obeah on Gucci. Obeah is a spiritual tradition from the Caribbean, often misunderstood or misrepresented in media. Posts on social media platforms and several viral videos began framing these claims as accusations, and the story quickly gained attention due to the mystique surrounding spiritual practices. Bloggers covering the trend emphasized that these are still allegations and that no verified evidence has been presented, but the topic nonetheless generated thousands of shares, comments, and reactions across Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. The story really took off as fans, celebrities, and content creators joined the conversation. Many social media users expressed skepticism about the 525 consultations and questioned whether they should even be labeled as mental health services. Others defended Keyshia, suggesting that the sessions could be focused on lifestyle, motivation, or coaching rather than medical advice. Celebrities and influencers chimed in with reposts and commentary, further fueling engagement. Bloggers highlighted that this mix of opinions, both critical and supportive, helped the story trend across multiple platforms, ensuring that Keyshia's name stayed in the headlines for several days. It's important to note that online reporting and social posts frequently use terms like alleged, accused, or claimed, which signals that the story is circulating as an allegation rather than verified fact. Similarly, there's an important distinction between licensed mental health therapy and personal coaching or consultation offered by public figures. Many authorities and bloggers have emphasized that while personal development advice can be valuable, it should never replace professional care for mental health conditions. Understanding these nuances helps viewers interpret the online chatter responsibly and critically without jumping to conclusions. So here's the short version of events. The Breakfast Club interview put the spotlight on Gucci's mental health and Keyshia's role in supporting him. Shortly afterwards, social media posts highlighted the 525 consultation offering. Meanwhile, viral clips and blog posts raised allegations about Obeah. The internet responded in full force, with fans, bloggers, and celebrities all weighing in. This mix of verified interview content, social speculation, and viral commentary created a story that had legs, keeping Keyshia trending and fueling widespread discussion. Following the initial surge of posts, multiple bloggers started analyzing Keyshia Coware's career and branding, noting that she has long cultivated a luxury-focused image in beauty, fitness, and lifestyle. Many of these posts highlighted that her audience is accustomed to seeing her run businesses and offer coaching or mentorship in these areas. As a result, the $525 consultation offer was quickly interpreted through the lens of her existing personal brand, which naturally caused fans to debate whether this was a natural extension of her services or a misunderstanding caused by ambiguous marketing language. Social media responses quickly grew polarized. Some users defended Keyshia, suggesting that offering paid guidance or motivation is a common practice among public figures and does not necessarily imply she is offering medical advice. On the other hand, critics raised concerns that using the terms mental health consultation could mislead vulnerable individuals seeking therapy. Hashtags like Keyshia Cower, Obeah claims, and celebrity controversy trended as fans and followers shared screenshots, memes, and video clips, fueling discussion across platforms including Instagram, TikTok, and X. Viral YouTube creators also revisited previous interviews, live streams, and Instagram stories to try and find context for the allegations of Obeah. Some educational content highlighted that Obeah is a spiritual tradition rooted in Caribbean culture, often misrepresented in mainstream media as something dark or sinister. Other creators, however, used the claims to generate clickbait titles and reaction videos, capitalizing on curiosity and speculation. Bloggers covering these reactions noted that viral content like this often blurs cultural understanding and contributes to sensationalized narratives online. Several bloggers drew parallels to other celebrity situations where spiritual or mystical practices were speculated upon by fans. They compared Keyshia's situation to past rumors about manifestation, astrology, or crystal healing among public figures, suggesting that social media tends to amplify spiritual practices as mysterious influence whenever a celebrity is perceived as highly successful. These comparisons helped contextualize the online frenzy, illustrating that every generation of social media users seems eager to speculate on hidden forces behind fame. Fans of Gucci Mane also weighed in, pointing out that the couple has always been transparent about their lives, particularly regarding mental health. Supporters praised Keyshia for her dedication to Gucci, while others scrutinized snippets of the interview, debating what was said and how it should be interpreted. Bloggers noted that clips taken out of context can spread misinformation, which adds fuel to viral stories like this one. Mainstream entertainment blogs also covered the story, emphasizing that Keyshia's business ventures often blur the lines between lifestyle, wellness, and beauty. These outlets suggested that the $525 consultation headline may have been an overinterpretation by fans or clickbait, rather than a formal announcement. Many articles highlighted that Keyshia has consistently marketed herself as a luxury lifestyle entrepreneur, which could have contributed to misunderstanding or exaggeration in the viral conversation. Another key discussion emerging from the controversy centers on celebrity wellness culture. Many social media commentators debated the appropriateness of public figures selling mindset or coaching sessions without professional licensing. Bloggers described this as a gray area. Personal development advice often intersects with mental health guidance, but the distinction between coaching and licensed therapy is important. These discussions contributed to the broader cultural conversation sparked by the story, examining how audiences interpret wellness offerings from celebrities. TikTok and other short-form platforms help the story reach new audiences rapidly. Duets, stitches, and reaction videos flooded For You pages, with creators reading tweets, dramatizing the $525 session, or adding humorous commentary. Viral comedy and meme content help sustain interest in the story while expanding it beyond the original social posts. By the end of the week, the story had evolved from an allegation into a larger discussion about celebrity branding, spirituality, wellness, and the line between personal coaching and professional mental health support. Before we wrap this tea session, remember, taking care of your beauty, wellness, and peace is what really matters. If you want to glow up from the inside out, Check out my beauty business linked below. We've got everything you need to feel confident, polished, and empowered, all without needing a $525 anything. Social media moves fast and stories can twist overnight, but protecting your peace, setting boundaries, and focusing on your own growth will always be the best investment. Whether it's beauty, business, or mental health, invest in things that genuinely make you better and happier. Now I want to hear from you. Bestie, what do you think people are getting right or wrong about this story? Comment below with your thoughts. Keep it kind, and don't forget to subscribe for more neutral, tea-filled breakdowns of trending celebrity news. All right, babes, that's today's FaceTime gossip session. Stay grounded, stay beautiful, and I'll see you next time with more updates, more glam, and maybe even more drama, allegedly.